in 2025. Nothing is preparing to unveil something truly remarkable with the highly awaited launch of its much-anticipated Phone 3 series. This groundbreaking lineup is set to feature two distinct models: the standard Nothing Phone 3, which offers a sleek and powerful design, and the more advanced Nothing Phone 3 Plus, boasting enhanced features and performance. This launch represents a pivotal milestone for the brand, as it refrained from releasing any flagship devices throughout 2024. Instead, the company dedicated its efforts to refining and perfecting the Phone 3 series, beginning with the impressive base model that sets a new standard for innovation. The Nothing Phone 3 is set to feature the powerful Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset, ensuring a smooth and high-performing user experience. Benchmark tests have further validated its capabilities, showcasing an impressive single-core score of 1149 and a multi-core score of 2813, which collectively highlight its efficient processing power and responsiveness for everyday tasks and multitasking. Furthermore, the Phone 3 will come preloaded with Android 15, seamlessly integrated with the brand's most recent update, Nothing OS 3.0, offering a sleek and intuitive software experience. While the standard version of the Phone 3 is designed to strike a perfect balance between performance and efficiency, there is increasing buzz about the potential launch of the Nothing Phone 3 Plus, which could offer enhanced features and capabilities for tech enthusiasts. Recent speculations within the tech industry hint that the Phone 3 Plus might come equipped with the Snapdragon 8's Elite chipset, a slightly toned down yet still impressively capable version of Qualcomm's premium flagship processors. This possible integration of the Snapdragon 8's Elite chipset into the Phone 3 Plus could mark a significant shift in the company's strategy, aiming to provide flagship-level performance while keeping the device more budget-friendly. While nothing has yet to officially verify these details, if the rumors hold true, this move could potentially shake up the premium smartphone market by introducing high-performance technology at a price point that is far more accessible to a wider audience. Building on the anticipation, the Nothing Phone 3 series is speculated to introduce a dedicated action button, drawing inspiration from Apple's innovative designs. This button, strategically placed for effortless one-handed access, is expected to serve as a versatile tool. It might function as a quick accessible camera shortcut, enable customizable commands, or offer other dynamic features to enhance everyday usability. This seemingly small yet carefully crafted addition aims to significantly improve user convenience, streamlining navigation and interactions for a seamless experience. The Nothing Phone 3 is anticipated to boast a dual camera system with the potential inclusion of cutting-edge imaging technology such as Sony's Lydia sensor or a 50MP Sony IMX890 sensor. This setup would feature phase detection autofocus and optical image stabilization, ensuring sharp and stable shots even in challenging conditions. For storage, the device is rumored to offer options ranging from 128 GB to an impressive 512 GB, striking a balance between affordability and high-end configurations for tech enthusiasts. Additionally, the phone's iconic transparent back design will return, showcasing a refined glyph interface and customizable LED notifications that contribute to its uniquely futuristic aesthetic. On the hardware front, it is widely speculated that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset will power the Nothing Phone 3, paired with options for either 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM, which promises smooth and efficient performance across various tasks. Additionally, a significant upgrade in the battery department is anticipated, with a capacity expected to reach 5,000 mAh, complemented by improved fast charging capabilities to minimize downtime. The display is also set to impress, with the Nothing Phone 3 rumored to feature a 6.5-inch screen, while the Phone 3 Plus might offer an even larger 6.7-inch display, delivering a more immersive and cinematic viewing experience for users. In terms of availability, this highly anticipated flagship device is expected to make its debut in March 2025, with competitive pricing starting at $499 for the standard Phone 3 model and $699 for the premium Phone 3 Plus variant. With these promising features and upgrades, the Nothing Phone 3 series is generating a lot of excitement. Which of these rumored features are you most looking forward to experiencing? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with the latest news and insights.